So here is our video presentation. So our venture is called Fast by PH. And here's our company logo, company profile, team members, and our positions. So Bernard Dashan, CEO, Johnson Gatlabayan, COO, Joseph Vergara, CFO, Swiss Alingarog, CMO, Adrian Bartolome, CDO. So problem opportunity or opportunity. We interviewed 10 people of different age and social status on their opinions about the current problems the country is facing right now. They offered good insights as to how they see our team's chosen problem as must-solve problem or not. So here are some quotations from our interviewed customers. So one of them said, "For me, yes, it's a must to address problem because of the pandemic. We really need delivery courier services and offers job opportunities to a lot of people. Most of us are currently in our own business or own houses, abiding by the rules and regulations. So it is needed as it helps a lot in providing our necessities." Another one that we interviewed said, "As an online seller, myself, this is surely a must-address problem. It really affects small businesses as they cannot rent a place or set up a store during this pandemic. Even if there is no pandemic right now, a reliable, fast, and cost-efficient delivery app service would be greatly appreciated and can boost small business owners' sales." So here is our backend tab below. So here's the nature of our business, our category, the setting up of our expenses with our equipment, technology, legal obligations, monthly expenses for the rent, electricity, salaries, raw materials, advertisements, and others. And here is our estimated values. Our total approximate cost per month is 240,000 pesos. Estimated price per unit, 15% to 20% per order. Expected number of sales per day, 1,000 per order. 1,000 delivery order. Expected revenue per day is 10,000 pesos. Expected revenue per month, 300,000 pesos. Profit per month, 60,000. This is feasible? Yes. Here is our value proposition canvas. So product and services, gain creators, pain relievers, customer job, gains and pains. Here is our product and services. It's a customer-friendly application software, currently customer in messaging, reward points each successful transaction. It's gain creators, decrease cost in travel and time, easy to use app, customer and driver ratings. Pain relievers, cost-efficient delivery rates, customer service, on-time delivery. Customer job, gains, pains. Customer job, find a courier to deliver goods, gains. No need to travel and do meetups. Pains might be expensive. Customer job, not incur too much expenses, gains, faster transaction, pains might have bad service. Customer job, satisfy their customers, gains, reliable courier drivers, pains, item might not arrive on time. So solution, how are we solving this problem? So we are solving this problem by making extra steps to ensure the customer don't experience the common mistakes and mishaps of the e-commerce delivery service that is so prevalent and integrated in the industry today, that it became common occurrence and not just as isolated cases and rare promotions anymore. So these extra steps that we're talking about includes many various factors such as service training, more user-friendly service interface, safer and more secure product packaging, and extra layers of protection, extra transport communication, etc. So how are the customers addressing this problem today? They are addressing the problem by reporting the problem to the customer service telephone prompt. And in many cases, they do this in such as Facebook messaging, Twitter, and so forth. Customers also adapted to the common virus mishaps by filming and unboxing as proof that the problem lies not within them, but within the company that they pay the service for. Lastly, they address the problem by making a proper claim if the arrived package is damaged, not for them, a forfeit, or not as advertised, they can then make a case for reporting for false advertisement. So they do this unboxing, so they can have proper claim for if the arrived package is damaged, not caused by them, but uh, caused by external factors. That's the responsibility of the company. Um, if it's damaged and uh, not as good as advertised, then the customer will forfeit it, and they can make a case for reporting false advertisement because the advertised product is undamaged. How will our solution make the customer's life better? Our solutions will greatly reduce or even eliminate various problems that the customers often encounters on their online purchasing ventures. This will make a great improvement in a troubled customer purchasing endeavors because if the problem that they normally encounter doesn't affect them anymore, then the customers will be able to focus on the more important aspect of their life rather than filing a complaint to the first service provider. So here is our business model, problem solution, unique value proposition, fair advantage, customer segments, key metrics, channels, cost structure, and revenue streams. So this model is self-explanatory with our answers in the boxes. Competition analysis. We list product benefits offered by our competitors. So some of them are for the Grab Philippines and Angkas. Here are the benefits that they offered. So the benefits that we can offer that will compel potential customers to switch over from the existing solutions is a same-day fast delivery servicing app aiming to get your parcel sent on time with real-time tracking. Uh, Also, focus on partnering with small businesses and stores. Lastly, aimed at helping partner riders by introducing points every successful transaction. So here is the benefit that we offer that will compel potential customers to switch over from the existing solutions. Prototype. So here is our prototype of our user interface from the application. So step 1, step 2, step 3. Total of 6 steps. Easy to use, and even with people that are not that literate in digital technology or are novice in this field. MVP. So our product is application software called Paso by Page. Description, courier service application. Product rate, 20% of delivery rates. So some of our customers said, that we interviewed said, the services that we presented in our venture is very satisfying for the common customers. Some of One of the we interviewed said, "quote I think the solutions that you presented are very much needed." Another one, quote, "There's a lot of potential problems that customers can avoid by using your services." Customer feedback. Uh, we modified our MVP based on the concerns of the customers of the e-commerce industry due to the common problems caused by delivery service. However, we still retain the essence of our MVP based on our UVP, unique value proposition. We aim to absolve the problems that customers are usually experiencing due to the sloppy e-commerce service by having our own effective policies, handlings, and trainings. So, top learnings. We learned that there's a huge demand for an e-commerce service that can amend a lot of the problems that the industry usually commits to the customers. Some of the examples of this is damaged goods, super late parcels arrive time, and so on and so forth. There's a lot of demand for new improved e-commerce service because the customers are experiencing a lot of inconveniences due to the shortcomings of the service industry. So our venture aims to eliminate these e-commerce problems so that the customers won't be affected. Financials. So product price, delivery rates, price per unit, number of units sold per day, revenue, profit, break-even investments. So our product price is 20%. Delivery rates 50 to 300 pesos. Price per unit 10 to 60 pesos. Number of units sold per day 500. Revenue 1,050,000. Profit 610,000. Break even 22,000 unit. Investment 1 million. So product cost, setting up expenses, equipment 50,000, technology 100,000, legal or regulation obligations 50,000, monthly expenses, rent of place 30,000, electricity 15,000, salaries 180,000, or contract payment 180,000, raw materials 10,000, advertising 5,000, grand total of 440,000. Marketing and sales. So this is how we'll present our brand. Our brand is a service that is heavily focused on small or medium owner businesses and customers. We provide a service that will not commit common delivery mishaps like product mishandling, etc. And our venture is the most beneficial towards small to medium businesses and common customers. This is how we'll present our positioning statement. What we stand for is resonate with the customers and common business owners to form a relationship that is unique and that results in a great consumer engagement. So this will create a community of advocates that will stand behind us and recommend our service to people they know. Our company will achieve this by high customer satisfaction rates and in turn lower customer churn or customers that is leaving. This is all achieved through a successful customer experience with us. So the channels that we selected to promote our PV or product venture, we'll get our products in front of our target audience through platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, etc. We also plan to collaborate with industry people to create good quality content pieces, be in an expert roundup, or create an evergreen content for a credible publication. So here is our sales plan and sales pitch. We'll build successful venture through knowing what's currently selling today and through knowing what product will stick to the customers. We'll research products and services constantly and make sure to benchmark our business to the customer against our competitors. That's our sales plan. Sales pitch. Also, though there's a grander dream of creating a mega brand venture, starting out as a niche venture can be more effective by choosing the right niche. We'll be able to better position our brand and create awareness to our relevant and specific target audience. Our niche will help us build a target audience based on the qualities and what our product solves. So, our sales pitch is by focusing first on niche group to create awareness to relevant and specific target audience first, to help us build a target audience. And we'll do that with our sales plan of building successful venture through knowing what's currently selling and knowing what product will stick. Through research of products and services to benchmark our business to the customers against our competitors. Team commitment. Here are our team members, our skill sets and responsibilities. Team commitment. Each of the members complement the team as we have different skills and responsibilities. We're also willing to exchange our own ideas and listen to each other's opinions. The teamwork and camaraderie is a big boost and help in running the venture. Thank you. That's the end of our report.